Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, if you guys remember, I did a shorts day back, couple of days back, regarding Majorette being back in India. So, they look really beautiful, and I really wanted to showcase Majorette. And I do have like more than, I think, 20 Majorettes from 2023, which is not even yet unboxed. So, but when I saw the new ones, actually these are new castings. The premium ones are new castings. Apart from the Volkswagen ones, I'm saying. So the Porsche, literally every casting is a new one, and there are a couple more new castings they added in mainline as well. So let's just start with that. So let me just show you this, guys. This is the Ford Focus, I think, GT or ST. Yeah, this is a Ford Focus ST. So this looks really nice. So this is like 199. So like only like 20 rupees more than Hot Wheels. So but I will tell you why this is better than Hot Wheels, because a lot of people only think Hot Wheels is the better brand, as always. So most of the people are kids, who actually comes to me, and either they argue with me, or they will simply say that they don't like other brands, they only like Hot Wheels and all these things. But I will tell you why Majorette is really nice, and what does it offer, which Hot Wheels doesn't. So I was planning to do a separate video on that one. So let's see. So this is a premium version actually. So this is more specifically the Porsche edition. It has actually 6 cars. So I bought four of it. This one I didn't buy because I have a Taycan Turbo S in pure white color. I did an unboxing like last year. So I missed this one. Someone else bought this when I bought the when I went there. But I got all these colors. I did show this in shorts, but this time we are going to unbox these three in this set. I'm keeping the white for later. Now right now I'm just going to unbox these three. So this is the Valiant edition. Actually, I saw this in Malaysia, but a white color. White color is available in that 5 pack, which is available in India now. But I'm happy that I got the Valiant edition because it is not easy to find that one. So this is a 911 Carrera RS 2.7, and the livery looks really gorgeous on this one. And my favorite of this particular set is this one, the Vision GT. So if you guys remember, I did a Bugatti Gran Turismo. I mean Bugatti Vision GT. That is by Mini GT actually. That one was an awesome casting. So last but not least for this week is this one. So this is a new casting they released recently, this month only by Pop Race. I don't know about other countries, whether they in other countries bought this casting earlier, early on. So there is one more color actually. I think red with golden wheels, if I'm not wrong. But this is the one I pre-ordered. I think around last year, August or September. I just bought this last week only. So the thought of unboxing this one. So I will be doing one more video why Majorette is better compared to Hot Wheels, or even at least why you can pick Majorette, for the same price as Hot Wheels. A lot of people are scalping Hot Wheels nowadays. So I'm just going to do a video on that separately. Like it is going to be like a minute or so. So after I do unboxing of these cars, I will be doing a video on that one. So stay tuned for that as well. So as usual, guys, so if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.